Hi everyone, my name is Jamila. Welcome to the free walking tour of Vancouver.
My name is Sarah and I'm your tour guide today.
Bienvenidos, mi nombre es Roberto.
Behind me here is the Vancouver Art Gallery. It's the largest art gallery in Western Canada. Vancouver Public Library Central Branch. The reason why it looks like the Coliseum is because he thought our true strength is our minds. So fill it with books.
I would highly recommend the walking tour.
There is no better way to see Vancouver than by taking this tour and walking for almost 3 hours.
I really liked all the stories. The guide had a lot of local knowledge. She told us about the First Nations people, about the history of Canada. I definitely recommend the tour. We saw a lot in 3 hours. It was really interesting and yeah, I feel like the guide took care of everything. We didn't have to do anything. We just showed up and got shown around, so it was really nice.